Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my series, Bikini. Mike. Bikini baking. That's what we're doing. Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my series, Bikini Baking, a series where I bake my famous banana breads in my famous bikinis. Today I'm wearing the yellow traditional bikini, and the correlating flavor with that is lemon poppy seed. Let's get started. All right. Okay, so first, y'all know the drill. I pre-made my wet mix, and in the wet mix this time it's just your regular bananas, melted butter, 2 eggs, and I did like a lemon jam. Made it myself. So that is what's in this lemon poppy seed mix. Okay, first things first, why do I call this a traditional bikini? I call this the traditional bikini because it's pretty much my twist on a regular triangle bikini. Now, if you've been around from the beginning, you know that I have a few things that I kind of incorporate into most of my designs, if not all of them. And one of those things is like some type of wrap around feature. I also like to buy clothes like that as well. I don't know what it is about it, but I like it. I like stuff that wraps around my waist. So typically when I say I'm putting a twist on something, I'm putting a wrap around on something. In a way, I could kind of say that I'm putting a wrap around on it, not a twist on it, but whatever. I'm making a mess, but that's what bacon is all about. So I have some fresh squeezed lemon juice that I'm going to add in there just to really add to that lemon flavor. And the rest will be used for the icing, just like that. What significance does the color yellow have to Saint Ondres? Now, I'm sure if you have been following my journey, you've heard me say this story a million times. When I initially started off, I had no logo and I barely had a brand name in mind. I just knew I wanted my brand to be associated with some type of color or pattern. That was the advertising major in me. Because when you think of Burberry, you think of the pattern. When you think of Gucci, you think of the colors. I wanted my brand to have something where if you see it, whether it has something to do with my brand or not, you think of my brand. And that's how the color yellow came about. I was just like, I want people to see yellow and think of Saint Ondres. And I feel like when it comes to my core supporters, I've pretty much achieved that. And I'm very, very proud of that. I'm very, very grateful for that. A lot of people may remember in the beginning, like these are poppy seeds, in the very beginning, I had like a red, yellow, and green thing going on, like a Rasta kind of vibe. I've pretty much stayed true to that, especially with this relaunch. You'll see it, but it'll be a lot more subtle. Before, it was really in your face, can't miss it. But now I feel like since I've evolved as a designer and as a person, I appreciate the subtle significance of things. And that is something that I hope you'll notice with this new launch. It will always be yellow. Yellow will always be the main color. And that will lead me to the next question. Were any other colors considered? No. And that's honestly just because no other colors came to mind. And yellow just kind of worked. All right, here we have our beautiful lemon poppy seed mixture. And we're going to go ahead and put it in the pan. Now, unfortunately, I don't have any haute decor to put on this one because icing goes on this one. But anyway, it is fun fact time. Damn, I already told y'all my fun fact for the day. That was me just rambling on about the Rasta colors. Anyway, you want to know how I got into Bob Marley? I actually can't remember. But I loved him down. I had backpacks, posters. I love Bob Marley. I actually can't wait to finish filming this so I can listen to some Bob Marley. I had a Bob Marley dashiki. It probably wasn't. Let me stop. It wasn't. It was like a, I don't know what to call it, but it was Rasta colored. I don't know, man. I just mess with the positive vibes. Lemon is all done. I love poppy seeds. They're so pretty. Now it's time to pop this in the oven. Just kidding. This oven doesn't work. But don't worry. I can still show you the finished product. Okay. We have the lemon poppy seed banana bread with the lemon glaze on top. Let's dig in. Oh, that glaze is good. That glaze is real good. Because I don't like edge pieces. Not my favorite. But it's not bad. It's just not my favorite. I really don't know. But it's like the perfect amount of lemon. Not too lemony. You can still taste the banana. I don't hate it. I feel like if it was a little more moist, I would love it. But it's beautiful. Maybe even warm. Yum! Come on. Maybe even warm. But yeah, lemon poppy seed. That bite was better. That bite was much better. Okay. I got a bad bite. That's it. All right, y'all. See you for the next episode.